I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping.
Oh
yeah! Alright, take two.
You're right here.
Alright, what's going on, guys? This is bcbmx. We're doing a craft dinner cook-off competition here with our homie Sam. And we're just gonna see who can make the fattest batch of craft dinner.
The best?
Yeah, the best batch of craft dinner.
I like how the fat one says fattest.
Oh, damn it, Trent! Alright, anyway. Okay, we're gonna see who can make the best batch of craft dinner. And us here at bcbmx are sponsored by Craft Dinner.
Yeah, right.
I wish.
We're gonna get sued now.
Yeah.
No.
The copyright.
No, we're sponsoring them right now. You know what I mean?
Sponsor.
Yeah, sponsor.
Craft Dinner, the snack of the bikers. Alright, let's get to cooking.
I can't film when it's on an angle. No, you can.
No, that's my dad.
Yeah, I'm okay, dude.
Oh, fuck, we're gonna eat grenades. So we're gonna have a bowl and another guy.
I was getting water.
Is there more? I'm hungry.
I think I did really good. You know, I got the seasoning in there. It's really cheesy.
The meat in my mouth was just great.
I think I did good because everybody finished the one that I made first.
Yeah.
I don't know what Jimmy did, but I think I did good because it was good.
Yeah.
We come to a verdict.
So how does it feel in your mouth?
Cooks. We come to a verdict.
Come to a verdict.
Okay.
By half a point. Half a point.
Okay.
It's.
Go.
We've come to a verdict by half a point.
What? Okay.
The winner is.
It's just that yours is lacking the creaminess.
Yeah.
Mac
You know what?
But it was real cheese, so it tastes better.
Good job.
That is
Not that
nothing
yours was
great.
bad. It was good.
High five.
If yours had a bit more
Have fun cleaning up.
If
If it's creamier, on point, boy.
You have very nice.
That's what she said.
For a tiny.
I'm gonna say would point that out.
Well, I'm just saying.
Ooh.